Welcome. This video will walk you through the process of installing the 7501 portable 9-gallon gravity-fed Eyewash, as well as the 9083 cleansing stick. Tools necessary for this installation include a Phillips head screwdriver or a power drill, which may make the installation easier, a measuring tape, pen or pencil, and lastly, a spirit level is also useful to ensure that the unit is installed level on the wall. If crooked, the Eyewash streams may be uneven, causing compliance concerns. Now unbox the materials and ensure that all parts are present and accounted for. Note, during the unboxing, that the 1/4 inch mounting hardware is not supplied, as mounting surfaces can vary widely. Find a spot that is as close to the hazard as possible, without physically causing a hazard itself. Maximum distance from the hazard is 55 feet. The area should be free of obstruction and be kept between 60 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit to maintain ANSI Z358.1 compliance. Ensure that the location for installation is reinforced if necessary. The filled unit weighs approximately 80 pounds. Drywall studs, concrete or brick walls are ideal for installation. Begin by ensuring the bracket is level. Mark the locations for the hardware, and if installing on a drywall, like in this video, ensure studs are present behind the hardware locations. Using your spirit level, double check that the bracket is level before moving on. The unit can be filled before installation onto the wall. However, note that the filled unit weighs approximately 80 pounds, and it may be difficult to maneuver after filling. Alternatively, you can install the Eyewash onto the wall and use a hose or other device to fill the unit, which requires 8.75 gallons to meet the fill line. If installed and filled correctly, it will provide a full 15 minutes of flow to the Eyewash. During installation or weekly inspection, note the location of the fill line on the front of the unit and ensure the water level is at or past this line. Indicate in pen or marker on the lid when the unit was filled with water and preservative to ensure future maintenance is timely. Before adding Haws 9082 preservative or the 9083 cleansing stick, check for correct installation and performance by activating the unit and utilizing a tape measure, ensuring that the height of the streams of the Eyewash are between 33 to 53 inches from the floor to ensure ANSI Z358.1 compliance. Once finished, refill if necessary and prepare for installation of the preservative or cleansing stick.